Hi guys, this is Mrs. Neuenfeld, and we are going to talk about what you're going to do in preparation for our Slide Park teachers tomorrow. So number one, you need to go on to the slides that were given to your teacher on Friday, and you're going to go to slide number 19. Okay, so on slide number 19, you're going to find the directions to make sure that you are ready for tomorrow. So, task number one says we need to rewatch the video and identify what you know or think you know and wonder about how matter flows in an ecosystem. All right, so let's take just a moment and let's rewatch that video and we can talk about what did we know or think we knew and what do we wonder about how matter flows through an ecosystem. When we're done watching this video, we're going to be going to our KLEWS chart, which is the second activity. So number one, we're going to slides from Friday. You're going to open that up, go to slide number 19. Also, you're going to need your KLEWS chart ready to go, so that way you can write down some things that you wonder about and some things that you think you already know. Here we go. Let's click on the link and let's watch the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn now to our KLEWS chart. And on our KLEWS chart, we are going to write down one thing you think you know or you do know about matter just by watching that video. So matter is, why don't I say nature? Maybe matter is nature, because he was out in nature, he was in the woods. Matter is something I can touch. Okay, he was walking through things, he was touching it, he was looking at things. So maybe I'll change it from matter is something I can touch and see. Okay, that could be. What were some things that you wondered about while he was walking through the woods? Maybe you wondered, I wondered why the leaves were spotted. Did you notice that leaf was green and it had like brown or tan spots all over it? That was very strange. One thing I wondered was, I wonder why, or I'm sorry, I'll take it back. I wonder how long the tree log has been lying there in the woods. Okay, so take just a second, pause this video, and write down 1 or 2 things that you think you know about matter, and 1 or 2 things that you wonder about matter, or what questions you might have. All right, so now that we have rewatched the video and we have recorded our findings on our clues chart in the K and W section, your job was to find a leaf and to bring it to next week, so as in this Friday. But before you picked it, you should have done a couple of things. Number 1, make sure that this leaf is okay to pick. There are certain leaves you do not want to pick, so you do not want to touch a poison oak leaf. You don't want to be walking onto somebody else's property and pulling a leaf off of their plant, or any special plants. So make sure that it's an okay plant to take the leaf from before you do it. Observe where you found it. What do you notice about your leaf? Okay, so let's go back now to our clues chart, because we need to write our observations about our leaf. So what do I know about my leaf? Well, my leaf right here, I found my leaf in my backyard in the grass. It was close to many other trees. Okay, where did you find your leaf at? You can add that. You know where you found your leaf at. What else do you know about your leaf? Well, my leaf is green, right? It's green and it has one long vein through the center. So the leaf is green and has a long vein in the center. Okay, my leaf is also very soft. Okay, it's not rough. It feels, I don't want to say wet, but it doesn't feel dry, so it feels like there's water in it. So my leaf is soft and feels, I'm going to say fresh. Feels like a fresh leaf, not like it's an old leaf at all. Now we have to do our wonders. So what do I wonder about my leaf? Well, I wonder, why is it green? Why isn't it blue? Why is my leaf green? Maybe I wonder why it fell off the tree. So why did it fall off the tree? Okay, think about things that you wonder about the leaf. I wonder why it has this one vein and all these other little veins inside of it. Is it like human veins, like blood? I don't know. So maybe I wonder what it's going to look like in a week from today, and see what you think that might look like. So when you're done, you should have hopefully 1 or 2 things that you know about matter, 1 or 2 things that you know about your leaf. For example, what does it look like? Where did you find it? And then 1 or 2 things about what you wonder, or what questions you might have about matter. Oh, here's a good question. What is matter? Right? What is matter? That's a really good question to ask, especially if you don't know. What is it? And then 1 or 2 questions or wonderings about your leaf. When you're done, make sure you keep this. Don't turn this in yet. On Friday, when the Sly Park teachers come, we're going to learn more about matter. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, then make sure you ask your teacher. Thanks. Bye.